All right, graph the function 2 quantity x minus 3 squared plus 1. Concavity, because that's a positive 2, it opens up. Positive 2. It's a positive number, so it opens up. The vertex of this is opposite of what's there, so 3, and the same as the number at the end, 1. So opposite, same. Axis of symmetry will be x equals the x value of the vertex, so 3. So this is from here. Y-intercept, you let x equal 0. So let's work that out. So I have f of 0 equals 2 parentheses 0 minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. So 2 times negative 3 squared plus 1. So 2 times 9 plus 1. So 18 plus 1 is 19. So my y-intercept is 0, 19. It's going to be a little difficult to draw on here, so we'll deal with that in a little bit. Is my vertex a maximum or minimum? Well, it's a minimum because the parabola opens up. Because parabola opens up. The domain on any parabola is always negative infinity to infinity. And since we know our parabola is opening up, my range will be y is greater than or equal to 1, or it will be the same as saying 1 to infinity. All right, let's graph this thing. We need to make an XY chart first. So the middle X, the vertex, put that here, so 3, 1. Go below it 1, so 2. Go below it another one, 1. Go above it 4 and 5. Put in 1 for the X. So I have f of 1 would be 2 times 1 minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. So 2 times negative 2 squared plus 1. 2 times 4 plus 1, so 8 plus 1, and I get 9. Find f of 2. Let's go up here. So f of 2 will be 2 times 2 minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. 2 times negative 1 squared plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1. So f of 2 equals 3. So now let's find f of 4. Will be 2 times 4 minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. 2 times 1 squared plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1, so I get 3. And those should match up. And then let's double check. F of 5 is 2 times 5 minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. 2 times 2 squared plus 1. So I get 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. So f of 5 is 9. So 5, 9. Sketch those points. The points 1, 9, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 5, 9. And I know my y-intercept is up here. I'll just kind of sketch that. Last thing, draw in the axis of symmetry at 3, x equals 3. Make sure it looks symmetric to that. It does. And then draw a line through the points. Draw a curved line through the points. There you go.